Thanks for watching. I want to show you a Tree 425 Journeyman. It's a really nice machine. Matt, can you give us a demo of the control?
Hey guys, so we've got the Tree 425 here with the brand new Mach Motion 2000 series control. In this case, this will be the operator screen, and you can see I have a G-code file loaded here. I went into our Lexus conversational program and created that file very quickly. Normally you would start out here at the tree where you would have your different routines. In this case, we chose a pocket roughing routine, and I even went into our tool library and picked out a tool and the feed rates and speeds. I also have chosen a bolt hole pattern, so I have a pocketing routine and a bolt hole pattern. Once I have that and I'm all happy there, I'll hit generate code, and I can name the file if I want. That will put me automatically back at the operation screen where you can see I have the part ready to run. In this case, we have everything already pre-set up, and we'll have tool number 1 selected, so we just hit cycle start. So you just saw our pocketing routine. Now we're going to drill some holes.
Can you show us how the pendant works, Matt?
So this is our handheld pendant. You can simply select your feed rates and your axes. And in this case, you just rotate the hand wheel to jog your axes.
Thank you. What's unique about this machine?
So I like to say that these Tree 425s are the top of the food chain in the knee mill world. The extremely rigid casting box weighs a Cat 40 taper spindle motor, or spindle, and in this case it has an extremely powerful Yaskawa spindle motor. We have added our servo motors to the equation and then completely redone the electrical cabinet with our components. These machines are top notch.
It has an automatic drawbar.
It does have the power drawbar that has a pull stud type tooling.
Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Give us a call, 573-578-2500 or 573-368-7399. Have a great day.